I thought I knew about agriculture, but the Ecofarms and Agro Services company proved me so wrong. When I first got here, I had just surface knowledge. But here I learned various things like soil management, phytosanitary practices, safe and effective use of agrochemicals, and so many other little things that create the big difference in the Ecofarms and Agro Services company.
My name is Mrs. Damina, a retired civil servant who has passion for farming and has been farming peasantly while in service, which is one of the approved site, business or whatever you are permitted by the federal government. But I developed interest in farming for quite some time because my father was a pleasant farmer. He loved farming. And well, my quest to know more and do better took me to Ecofarms. And I want to, at this time, say it was not a mistake to go to Ecofarm.
My name is Nifemi Ajao, and this is my Ecofarms experience.
My name is Mrs. Anandi Rifkatu, and this is my Ecofarm experience.
What motivated me mostly was the period last year, December, when there were food shortages, and it didn't make sense to me that we're having issues of, let's say, tomato prices being too high, but half of our tomatoes are spoiling on the field. So that made me think, hey, we can go into processing and storage to deal with some of these issues. And I thought maybe also demonstration farming to empower the people in those communities who farm these things. But to do any of that, I need to actually know how agriculture works. So here I am spending my summer holiday at what is arguably the best agricultural company ever.
My quest to know more and do better took me to Ecofarms. And I want to, at this time, say it was not a mistake to go to Ecofarms because I have seen greenhouses. I have gone to my friends have green farms and other farms on the platforms, but I wanted a practical experience on this green farm, having a greenhouse and having a bumper beautiful harvest of what I see. So that's what brought me to Ecofarms.
My experience on the farm has been good. Like, I've been picking so many big and little things that would definitely influence produce like every day. As in, I would never have known that excess of certain nutrients can reduce like the shelf life of your fruits. And I also wouldn't have known that certain chemicals, you probably shouldn't put them at the same time because they might react. And there are just so many little and big things that I've been learning. And let's just say I love to learn. And on that ground, 10 out of 10 for Ecofarms.
Coming to Ecofarm to tap knowledge, both theoretical and practical. I first started with the practical side, which was very much interesting, and the environment of farming alone was something I love, and Ecofarm gave me the environment to explore farming better. You know, coming to Ecofarm, there was warm welcome, ready to teach, ready to impact more knowledge about holistic agriculture, and that gave me a level playing ground to foot myself in Ecofarms. Thank you.
Well, number one challenge during my training is my back. My back is tired. My back side. My back has not seen this since my boarding school days, but how did I overcome that? By doing that every day and then eventually getting used to that.
The challenge is that I am coming from the financial sector. My own is I stay in the AC. When I came to the farm, definitely the sun is my friend, and of course the environment, putting my hands into the soil. you know when you are in the other side, you are so mindful of how your looks are, but when you are in the farm and you have interest in the farm, you don't mind the look, you mind what comes out of your farm. So my challenges were the sun and the tiredness in the practical work of the farm, and those are just part of the challenges, and the timing too. So we have to work with the time, not that that you have a stable time of 5 to, there's this 9 to 5 work. This farm is not like that. Every farm has the time, and I will not miss that time. So the challenges were how to adjust to putting my hand in the soil, standing under the sun, walking and lying down like so stressed out in a day. So those are my challenges.
Well, yes and no. So I've only been here for 3.5 weeks. So I've learned a lot, but I've also learned that there is so much that I have not learned. But hopefully, by God's grace, I want to come back here again another holiday and then eventually finish up the number of months needed for the training and then get certified and hopefully know more than I don't know.
Oh, wow, I have gained a lot. First of all, I didn't know any differentiation in any of these processes of farming. Starting from the soil, knowing what to put in the soil, knowing what seasons, knowing the types of uh, plants you need to do on what type of soil and what kind of season you need to do it. Also, the experience about it is I was able to know type of swelling, how to make very use of the soil, and how to test and know what best can be grown on a particular soil. And I also know what time and how to start, and how the timing is very important, and also to know the right seeds. Not just every seed is the same, the right seeds to use, and so on and so on. And that is from the beginning. And fertilization is another stage. It's not just every fertilizer you apply on any crop, and it's not just any quantity of fertilizer you will apply on any crop. And to me, as a layman person, when I came, I thought you just take fertilizer and just put fertilizer is fertilizer. Never knew that up to the minute gram can affect your farm. And I got to know that this is the right portion of fertilizer to put in the right portion of your farm. And also, there are some diseases, we just saw them, we didn't know it was disease, just say it's part of the farm process also. I was taught a lot about diseases and pests, and the right medications to diseases and pests, and the right time to apply them at the right moment to do that. So holistically, I have come to learn up to that level and beyond.
My advice for people who want to study agriculture is that you need to be careful about it because one, you can go to the university to study agriculture but not really learn anything. Like, I've heard from so many other interns here that they're grateful to be here at Ecofarms over their holidays or for their IT, because while they were in the university they were just learning the theory, but here at Ecofarms they got to learn the practical part of it and learn the actual activities that go into it and how to do them. So for people who want to study agriculture, I'd say go ahead, but while you're doing it, make sure that you're getting good contacts from the other people who study there, or maybe from teachers, so you have people you can work with when you go into the future. And as you're doing that, work at a place like Ecofarms. In fact, work at Ecofarms while you have free time or weekends or holidays.
Ecofarm does not just teach you, many people know Ecofarm for green farming. It's not just greenhouse farming. There are a lot to learn in Ecofarm. You may think, all these things I know it now. I go on YouTube, I go on this. On YouTube, you cannot be on practical. When you come to Ecofarm, they are always ready to listen to you, whatever stage, whatever question you ask them at any point in time, they will answer you. Come to Ecofarm because you will be hands-on. And when you are hands-on, it doesn't matter, you're not going to do it yourself, but the people doing it for you, when you are hands-on and you employ people to work for you, you will know what they are doing. Either they are doing it wrong or they are doing it right. So in Ecofarm, I will want everyone that wants to learn more about entire agriculture, whatever question you need an answer, come to Ecofarm because they will teach you everything. It will amaze you that they are teaching us bee farming. We have mushroom farming. We have a lot of these things. They are not just plants. So come to Ecofarm. They'll teach you even how to train you. Even they can also train you to train others. Ecofarm gives you that it's an open door for agriculture. Come to Ecofarm, come and learn every technique you need to learn to succeed in any aspect of farming. They are there 247 to attend to you. Ecofarm is just the best.